This is the Solar Snap Garage Door Kit, your easy upgrade for a cooler, more comfortable garage. Let's walk through how to install the Solar Snap Garage Door Radiant Heat Barrier in just a few steps. Inside the box, you'll find everything you need to insulate your garage door panels. Your Solar Snap kit includes high-quality radiant barrier material, instruction sheet, plus Rhino Hide's high-bat tape for sealing. You'll just need a few basic tools: safety gear, a tape measure, scissors, or a utility knife. It is important to note, before installing, wipe down the door panels to remove dust and moisture. This ensures the tape bonds properly. Measure each section of the garage door. Then measure and cut the material with a straight edge or cutting tool. Install high-bat tape onto the inner side of the door panel surface. Apply a square of tape to the corners of each panel. Then, press firmly into place. Remove the backing from the tape on one panel. Then, center the radiant barrier over the door panel. It should overhang evenly over both the top and bottom of the door panel. Press in place on both ends, then tuck the material edge under the lip of the door panel. Repeat these steps for each panel. Please note, some trimming or modifications may be necessary. Shop the complete Solar Snap line at rhinohidepro.com.